VIPER security systems can do a lot to protect your vehicle. Starting out with the basics, not too much different than just an OEM alarm. We monitor all doors being opened, possibly the hood or the trunk. We also include a 6-tone siren with our systems. You might have heard a factory alarm go off, a horn is honking, kind of easy to ignore. There's no ignoring our siren.
That's right. On top of those, we add a shock sensor to every alarm system. Whether it's a low hit on the vehicle that gives you a warn away from your siren, or a full hit that gives you a full trigger of our alarm. And honestly, the biggest thing you can do to protect your car is to add a starter kill. All of our VIPER security systems have a starter kill option. This is going to be a mechanical override that prevents a vehicle from being started even if you have the key. You'll have to disarm the VIPER security system to be able to actually key start the car. From there, a two-way paging remote is going to be an awesome additional feature to get with one of your systems. If you're out of range to be able to hear the siren from your system, the remote's going to get paged and alert you that your vehicle's being tampered with.
And if you were a little bit further away from the car, out of range of getting that two-way response on the remote, the VIPER Smart Start app right on your cell phone can notify you when your alarm has been triggered.
Want more information on all these security features? Check out VIPER.com.